So they are given question ratio they are given m is to n. P value also they are given. P value is minus 3 comma 1. It divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. And A is meeting at x axis, therefore x comma 0 is the coordinates. It meets at y axis, therefore it is coordinates is 0 comma y. We have to find out what are the coordinates of A and B. So use the section formula. I substituted the values. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So after substitution, we have to equate the x coordinates with x coordinates, y coordinates with the y coordinate to get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 by 2. So therefore A 5 comma 0, B 0 comma 5 by 2. So note all this sum. So now we will see 18th sum. Show that the line segment joining the points A minus 5 8 and B 10 minus 4. So we draw the figure. A, B is the line segment. This is minus 5 comma 8. This is minus 5 comma 8. And B is how much? B is 10 comma minus 4. 10 comma minus 4. This is the line segment. It is trisected by the coordinate axis. It is trisected by the coordinate axis. Okay. Suppose this is x, this is P we can say, this is Q we can say. Coordinate axis means they didn't told P is x axis, Q is y axis, such things they didn't told. So therefore, as we see in the answer, it is trisected by P's coordinates will be, I will take 0 comma y, that means AB intersects y axis at P. Similarly, it intersects x axis at Q. Okay? X axis at Q. It is trisected. Already we did on some how to find the ratio. That is AP is to PB, AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB. Let AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to R. Say that will be R. Now AP, we have to find out the ratio between AP and PB. AP by PB is equal to AP as it is by PB means what we should write? PQ plus QB. PQ plus QB. AP means what? R. PQ plus QB means R plus R. R by 2R. That is 1 by 2. That means this implies AP is to PB is equal to how much? 1 is to 2. Correct? Now similarly we can take AQ by QB. AQ means AP plus PQ by QB. R plus R by R. 2R by R. R cancels 2 by 1. This implies AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. So ratio we got. Now we have to find out the points of trisection of AB. Points of trisection of. Let P 0 comma y divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Correct? So we have to use the section formula. So P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now substitute the values. This is nothing but what we took 0, y is equal to m means what? 1. x2 means what? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So x2 means what? 10. Plus n means what we have to take? 2. x1 means minus 5 by 1 plus 2. Comma. M means 1. y2 means minus 4. Plus n means 2. y1 means 8 by 1 plus 2. 0, y is equal to 10 minus 10 by 3 minus 4 plus 16 by 3. That is equal to 0 by 3. This is 12 by 3. So that is equal to 0, 4. So that is the coordinates of what we can say P coordinates 0, 4. Similarly, we have to find out the coordinates of Q. So Q divides the ratio 2:1. That you can write here that Q of x, 0 divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Same method you have to follow. So therefore I am not doing this work. So what I will do, I will do this part as homework. So this part as homework and find out what are the Q coordinates. So like that you have to find out. Understood, children? Okay, take down this sum. The midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. Okay, first I will draw the triangle ABC. Okay. Midpoints of the sides BC. Okay. You can say D, E, F. Or they are given 2, 1 and -1, -3. Okay, -1, -3, 4, 5. 4, 5. They are given midpoints. Find the coordinates of A, B and C. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, we don't know, x3, y3. We have to find out x3, y3. Okay? You have to find out the coordinates of the A, B and C. Okay? Now we will take one by one midpoint formula. Let F be midpoint of AB. Therefore, F of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Formula. Substitute the values. F value they are given 4, 5 is equal to x1 as it is by 2, y1 as it is by 2. Equate x coordinates with the x coordinates, y coordinates with the y coordinates. 4 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. This implies x1 plus x2 is equal to 8, equation number 1. Similarly here also 5 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. This implies y1 plus y2 is equal to 10. Equation number 2. Okay. Now we will go to the next part. We will take BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So therefore midpoint formula d of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Here we can take x2 plus x3. Okay, x2 plus x3. Then y2 plus y3. y2 plus y3 by 2. Substitute the values. 2 comma 1 is equal to same x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. So equate x coordinate for once. 2 is equal to x2 plus x3 by 2. Okay. 1 is equal to y2 plus y3 by 2. Cross multiplication. x2 plus x3 is equal to 4. Equation number 3. y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Equation number 4. So third we can take AC. E is the midpoint of AC. So therefore E of xy is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. That is equal to, this implies, so what is xy E value? Minus 1, minus 3 is equal to same value. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Equate. Minus 1 is equal to x1 plus x2. x3 3 by 2. This implies x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. Equation number 5. Here also minus 3 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Cross multiplication y3. y1 plus y3 is equal to minus 6. Equation number 6. So note down this. 6 equations we got by using the midpoint. Correct? So now I will rub this figure. So all x equations, first equation, third equation, fifth equation, add 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. What happens? LHS, RHS. x1 plus x2, x2 plus x3, x1 plus x3. LHS. RHS. 8 plus 4 plus minus 2. Okay? Plus or minus 2. Okay? And now 2 x1s are there, 2 x2s are there, so 2 common. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5, equation number 7. Correct? Equation number 7. Now we can find out one more equation, that is add 2, 4, 6. plus y2 plus fourth equation y2 plus y3. Sixth equation y1 plus y3 RHS. 10 is there. Here plus 2 is there. Plus 2 is there. Next minus 6 is there. 6. So here also 2 times. 2 of y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 12 minus 6. 6. Okay. So therefore what happens? y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 6 by 2. 3. Equation number 8. Equation number 8. Now observe here. In the seventh equation, if I substitute first equation, substitute equation 1 in seventh. Equation 1 in 7. So what happens here? This equation 7 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 5 is there. So x1 plus x2 value already is there. 8 plus x3 is equal to 5. This implies x3 is equal to 5 minus 8, that is equal to minus 3. x3 value we got. x3 value we got. Correct? And in equation 2, so if we substitute y1 plus y2 is equal to 10, what happens? Substitute equation 2 in equation 8. What happens? So I will write all the equations here. x1 plus x2 is equal to 8. First equation. y1 plus y2 is equal to 10. Equation number 2. So what happens? 8th equation. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 3. So 10. 10 plus y3 is equal to 3. This implies y3 is equal to 3 minus 10, that is equal to minus 7. So y3 is equal to minus 7. Correct? What is the third equation? x2 plus x3 is equal to 4. Third equation. Fourth equation. y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Equation number 4. So I love this part. Now I got x3 value. If I substitute this one, equation 9, substitute equation 9 in equation 3, what happens? x2 plus x3 is equal to 4. So x3 value we know. x2 minus 3 is equal to 4. x2 is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Equation number 10. So this is x2. Similarly, substitute equation, this is 10, I think so, this is 10, this is 11 equation. Equation 10 in equation 4. What happens? y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. y2 minus 7 is equal to 2. y2 is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So we got x3, y3, x2, y2. Correct? Now, so lengthy problem, okay? We got x3, y3, x2, y2. That we can substitute in the 7th equation and we can substitute in the 8th equation, okay? We know the values. So, from 7, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 5. So, we have to find out x1. x1 plus x2, how much you got? 7. x3, how much you got? Minus 3 is equal to 5. x1, 7 minus 3 is 4 is equal to 5. x1 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Similarly, from equation number 8, from 8, what is the question? y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 3. Substitute the values. y1 as it is. y2 how much you got? 9. y3 how much you got? Minus 7 is equal to 3. y1 plus 2 is equal to 3. y1 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. We got all the values. Therefore, we will write the coordinates now. Okay, we will write the coordinates. What are the coordinates? A coordinates x1, y1. Correct? What are the coordinates? x1 is 1, y1 is 1. B coordinates x2, y2. x2 means 7, y2 means 9. C coordinates x3, y3. x3 is minus 3, y3 is minus 7. So these are the coordinates. So in this way, we can find out, but this type of lengthy sum will not be asked in the examination. Just it is a, you can say, a practice sum using the midpointer theorem. So write down this. So in the tomorrow's session, I will continue with the question number 20. Okay, thank you.